Grand rising, grand afternoon, grand evening, or grand rest, wherever you are, whenever you tune in. Today, luminous souls dawns under the vigilant watch of cosmic guardians, both human and divine. There are reports of an elevated geomagnetic state and the return of a coronal hole on the sun, lighting the path for high latitude auroras and subtle shifts in Earth's electromagnetic field. These solar energies echo your inner shield, a reminder that Spirit's protection flows from all directions, including from the stars. If you catch a whisper of green light in the sky tonight, remember, it mirrors the luminous field shielding you. Let your heart attune to the celestial symphony. Feel your energetic perimeter strengthened with each rising sun. Trust that you are held by cosmic currents and spirit allies alike. As we go into the midday, I do have some cosmic insights which resonate. We are merging with illusions into an awakened state that rooted in spiritual origin and purpose. This is the torque of Spirit at work, transforming mundane challenges into sacred alignment. During your day's current, let each interaction become a moment of expansion. Every delay, every ripple is weaving our souls more deeply into cosmic choreography. You are not just surviving, you are ascending in spirit, carrying higher codes into every choice. We walk with refined awareness. Every moment threads us closer to divine purpose. As dusk enfolds the horizon, let your spirit soften into ease. Tonight, the aurora's glow may grace the sky. In the polar regions, a lullaby of cosmic care and unseen orchestration. Allow yourself to rest in that knowing. The celestial and the mundane are in constant dance, weaving our lives into grace. I am drawing this now to a close with an anchoring transmission. With nature and symbiosis in mind. Close your eyes and listen. Nature exhales. The river hums low, and we are notes in the world's symphony. You and the oak share root and rhythm. Its deep anchor mirrors our grounded trust. You and the morning dew share clarity. Its pure reflection mirrors our embodied purpose. Yes. You and the night's breath share rest. Its gentle quietude mirrors your soul's exhale. We live in co-creation with every leaf, river, and star. Your presence is a chord in the sacred song of existence, a resonance that uplifts the whole. And so tonight, let your heartbeat sync with wild heartbeats. And offer your breath as thanks. That is the message. Thank you so very much, Multiversal Soul Familia, for listening in with much gratitude and appreciation. From my heart chakra to yours, brightest of blessings.